guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberlyelese, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my top 5 deep conditioners that I feel work best if you're dealing with alopecia and you have natural hair. So if that is something that you're interested in hearing, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so the first 2 deep conditioners that I'm going to be talking about are the Briogeo line deep conditioners. I absolutely love these deep conditioners. One of them is for protein and the other one I use for moisture. The protein one is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I absolutely love this deep conditioner for adding an extra boost of protein in my hair. If my hair feels like it has too much moisture or if it's feeling like it's a little too soft to the touch, I can use this a couple times and it'll bring my hair back to life. This deep conditioner has no hard sulfates, no silicones or parabens in it. So if you're looking for something that's pretty much natural, this would be a good pickup for you. The label actually says that this deep conditioner is 97% naturally derived. So if you're dealing with any type of hair breakage or if you're dealing with alopecia like I am and you're looking for something that's almost natural to put on your hair, these deep conditioners would be a good buy for you. The Briogeo Curl Charisma line is the one that looks like this, and this one is the one that I use for moisture. This one has rice amino plus avocado, and it's a hydrating and defining mask. Anytime I use this deep conditioner, guys, my hair feels so soft. If I've used too much protein in my hair or if I've used a gel that has a lot of wheat protein in it, my hair can begin to feel a little rough to the touch. That just kind of lets you know that your hair has a little bit too much protein in it. I can use this deep conditioner and it makes my hair feel so soft after using it. This deep conditioner is also 97% naturally derived as well. So if you're looking for something that's pretty much natural to put on your hair, this one will also be a good pickup. This one also has no hard sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no fat flakes, no artificial dyes, and no DEA. So this is also a good deep conditioner. I absolutely enjoy both of these. I get both of them from Ulta and they are $38 each. They do have a bigger container in both these deep conditioners that I think is $120. So if you're looking for one to keep in your arsenal or keep in your shower, I would definitely recommend picking up the big one as well. The next deep conditioner that I'm going to be talking about is this one right here, and this is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This deep conditioner I absolutely love as well. It is infused with biotin and encourages growth. So if you're dealing with CCCA or any type of alopecia like I am, this would be a good pickup. I absolutely love the smell of this deep conditioner as well. It smells like a spa. It has that minty fragrance to it, and it also gives your scalp that cooling minty feel. I love that feeling. It makes me feel like I'm in a salon getting a treatment when I use this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is a restorative, deeply moisturizing, penetrative mask for dry, thirsty stresses, and I would definitely agree with that. When I use this, my hair feels absolutely soft when I rinse it out. So if you're looking for something that's going to help you with that moisture protein balance, I would pick this one up. I don't think this one will make your hair feel like it has too much protein or too much moisture. This one is kind of in the middle that can help you keep that moisture protein balance in your hair. I absolutely love it, guys. If you haven't tried it, I get this from Target, and this one was $13.99 as well. The next deep conditioner that I have is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This one looks like this, guys. This is also a moisturizing deep conditioner and I absolutely love it. It makes my hair feel nice and smooth once I rinse this out. The smell of this one, it smells really, really good, guys. It smells like a sweet honey scent. If you don't like fragrance, you probably won't like this one because the scent is quite strong in this one to me. This deep conditioner has Manuka honey, Mafura oil, and fig extract in it. I usually just put this on for about 30 minutes, put my deep conditioning cap on and let it sit and rinse it out, and my hair feels amazing when I rinse this out. This one also has no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil. It's no animal testing and no petroleum. So this one too, I feel is really good if you're dealing with alopecia as well. I know for me, when I pick my deep conditioners, I look for something that's going to encourage hair growth or be strengthening or extra moisturizing to my hair, and this deep conditioner does it for me. I also get this one from Target, and I want to say this one was $12.99. Don't quote me on that, but I do get it from Target as well. The next deep conditioner that I have, guys, is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. The container looks like this one. This deep conditioner is a strengthening deep conditioner. So this one has a little bit of protein in it that can help strengthen your hair strands, make them feel nice and strong. This deep conditioner has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I absolutely love this deep conditioner as well, guys. It makes my hair feel nice and strong. The smell of this one, it smells like Play-Doh. If you know the Play-Doh that I'm talking about, it's that old school Play-Doh that we used to play with when we were a kid, that you squish and make stuff with. That's what it smells like. It smells like it has a hint of fragrance along with that Play-Doh. It's not displeasing to the nose, but it's not the best fragrance I've smelled in the world either. It doesn't stink or anything like that, and it doesn't linger in your hair as well, but it's not the best smelling deep conditioner that I have, but I absolutely love it. This is a strengthening deep conditioner, so if you feel like your hair has a little bit too much moisture, this would do the trick for you. The next deep conditioner that I have is also by Mielle Organics, and it is the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. Guys, I absolutely love this deep conditioner as well. It smells like a spa, and it has my scalp. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. It smells like a spa, and it makes my scalp feel like it has that minty sensation to it, like you get when you go to the salon and they put the deep conditioner in and it has your scalp feeling almost like a peppermint ball. I absolutely love that feeling on my scalp, and this deep conditioner does it. This is also a strengthening deep conditioner. It can help you maintain that protein moisture balance in your hair. I usually put this on for about 30 minutes and sit under my deep conditioning cap when I'm deep conditioning with this. I absolutely love it. If you feel like you need to maintain that protein moisture balance in your hair, this will be a good pickup. You don't want your natural hair to have too much moisture, and you don't want your natural hair to have too much protein as well. So deep conditioners like this can help you keep that balance in your hair. The container actually says on the front that it's used to restore protein and balance for all natural hair types. So this is definitely a good deep conditioner that you can keep in your arsenal to use maybe once a month in rotation with your other deep conditioners, just to make sure that you keep that moisture protein balance in your natural hair as well. This deep conditioner also has no parabens, no sulfites, no paraffins, no mineral oil, no synthetic colors, no DEA, and no animal testing. So if you're looking for something that's pretty much natural, this would do it for you guys. I absolutely love this deep conditioner as well. All of these deep conditioners that I've talked about, I use on my hair even though I have alopecia. So if you're looking for something that's pretty much good for your hair and good for your scalp and can encourage hair growth as well, I would definitely recommend picking up some of these deep conditioners. This deep conditioner I also get from Target as well. Another must-have in my deep conditioning routine are my deep conditioning caps. They look like this. I get these from hotheads.com, and basically what you do with these is you put your deep conditioner in, put on a plastic cap, pop these in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then put it on your hair to add heat to the deep conditioner. I do feel like these are very effective method for adding heat to the deep conditioner. Most of the labels on the deep conditioners that I have talked about in this video will tell you to apply heat, and I do feel like it works better with heat. I like these deep conditioning caps, guys, because I don't have to be stuck underneath a hooded dryer while trying to deep condition my hair. I can put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. It'll stay hot for about a good 15 to 20 minutes while I'm deep conditioning, and then I can just take it off, put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes, and then put it back on to deep condition the rest of the way. So if you haven't tried these or picked them up, I do feel like they will be quite helpful in your deep conditioning routine. All of the deep conditioners that I've talked about in this video oil also have nice oils in them that I feel are helpful for nourishing the scalp, especially if you're dealing with CCCA or any type of alopecia. Most of these have either almond oil, avocado oil, peppermint oil or peppermint extract, rosemary oil, which are all beneficial for aiding in hair growth and helping to keep a healthy scalp. So if you haven't tried any of them and you're dealing with hair loss, hair breakage, or alopecia like myself, try one of these deep conditioners in your hair care routine and see how it does for you. If you haven't already, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss when I post a new upload. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it. Those are my top 5 deep conditioners that I feel will work best with natural hair if you're dealing with CCCA or any type of alopecia. If you haven't tried any of them, I would highly recommend picking up maybe 1 or 2 to keep in your arsenal. That is it. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, guys, bye.